Welcome to Error Genie. If you're facing the frustrating 99% multiplayer loading bug in Farming Simulator 25, I've got you covered with clear step-by-step troubleshooting instructions to get you back to farming without a hitch. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if this guide helps you out. Step 1. Restart your game and server. Close Farming Simulator 25 completely on your PC. If you're hosting a server, restart your server. Log in to your server platform dashboard. Restart the server from the control panel, relaunch the game, and try reconnecting to the server. If the issue persists, move on to the next step. Step 2. Roll back to a previous save. If your server has automatic backups, access your server's control panel. Navigate to the Backup Files section. Restore the game world to a save point before the bug occurred. For manual backups, ensure you enable autosave on your server settings, set to every 10 minutes. Regularly backup your game progress to avoid future issues. Step 3. Check shader cache files. Corrupted shader cache files can cause loading issues. Here's how to clear them. Go to the game installation folder, typically located in C:users, /your username, /documents, /my games, /farming simulator, 25 /. Find and delete the shader cache folder. Restart the game to allow it to regenerate fresh shader cache files. Step 4. Try a different server host. If the issue is server related, switching to a new host might resolve it. Backup your current save file. Transfer the save file to a new server host. Relaunch the game on the new host and check if the problem is resolved. Step 5. Update your game. Ensure your game is updated to the latest version. Launch your game client, Steam, Epic, etc. Check for available updates and install them. Restart the game and try loading the multiplayer session again. Step 6. Reinstall the game. If nothing works, a clean reinstall might do the trick. Uninstall Farming Simulator 25 via your game client. Delete all related game files, excluding your saved games folder. Download and reinstall the game. Final notes. This bug can be frustrating, but with a little patience, you'll be back to harvesting crops and tending livestock in no time. Hopefully, these steps help resolve the issue until Giant Software releases an official patch. Still stuck? Let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to guide you further. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and gaming fixes on Error Genie. Happy farming!